If you're somebody that uses a lot of studio lights like I do, I've got a bunch of GVM lights. A lot of them are like the 800D series and so forth. You need some batteries. So these batteries I specifically got for a GVM mount that goes with my smartphone. So essentially, I'll be able to hold my smartphone and there is a light that goes around my phone, but it needs to be powered. So you can plug it in using a power cable or you can use some external batteries. So here are the batteries I ordered for my little light here. It's like I've got two of them. They are pretty decent size. Slightly heavier than what you would get from like, I would say each of them is probably like two 9-volt batteries as far as weight goes. And then of course you have the charger. Looks pretty straightforward. Just got some plastic to get through here. As I open this up, this is always nice to not have a bunch of cables laying around. So you've got the 2-prong for plugging into your outlet of choice. And on the other side, as you can see, we're going to take our battery and we're going to place it on the correct orientation, I believe like so. And you can see there's a little green LED light that's kind of coming on right now. Probably still has a charge on this battery here. But of course, you can be using a battery and then have another battery on the charge if you want to. A great little solution, especially if you use a bunch of studio lights, anything from GVM. But make sure it fits your battery. Make sure this is the right battery for your device. This one will go with a lot of GVM products like I mentioned earlier.